In this video I will be showing you how to construct a parallelogram when the length of the two sides and one angle is given, but first we need to draw one side. In order to construct the parallelogram, therefore I will construct the angle that is given. But I need to cut arc with radius equal to the length of the other side. But I also need to cut another arc with the same radius. I need to also cut an arc this way with radius of the first side. Finally, I will complete the parallelogram. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them.